As we celebrate Women's History Month, we reflect on the powerful women who've made significant strides in these fields. One woman who is making history today is Amal Clooney. But who is she, and what makes her so important? Amal Clooney, born in Beirut and raised in England, is more than just a famous actor's wife. Her life story is a testament to her own personal strength and dedication. From an early age, Amal showed a passion for justice and education. She pursued her dreams by attending prestigious institutions such as Oxford University and New York University. Her intellectual prowess is further highlighted by her ability to speak 3 languages: English, French, and Arabic. While her marriage to Hollywood star George Clooney has placed her in the public eye, it's essential to remember that Amal's accomplishments stand on their own, independent of her husband's fame. Her journey to success started long before she met George Clooney. Amal Clooney is a force to be reckoned with in the legal world. She's a barrister who has carved out a niche for herself in international law and human rights. Her work spans continents and legal systems, but her dedication to justice remains constant. Amal Clooney's footsteps echo in the hallowed halls of the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court. These institutions, which hold the scales of global justice, have been the stage for some of her most significant work. She has defended the rights of individuals and nations, championing causes that often go unnoticed. Among her high-profile cases, she has represented Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks. Despite the controversy surrounding Assange, Clooney's focus on upholding the rule of law and protecting human rights never wavered. She navigated the complexities of this case with the same grace and determination that she brings to all her work. Clooney has also stood up for victims of human trafficking, such as Nadia Murad, a Yazidi survivor. She fought tirelessly for Murad and other Yazidi women, going above and beyond the call of duty to ensure their voices were heard and their rights respected. Her work, though often under the international spotlight, goes beyond the headlines. Amal Clooney uses her platform to fight for women's rights tirelessly. She is not just a figurehead, but an active participant in the fight for equality. From advocating for female victims of trafficking to pushing for legal reforms, Clooney's efforts are far-reaching and impactful. One of the many arenas where she champions women's rights is in the field of education. As a visiting professor at Columbia Law School, she is shaping the minds of future leaders. She teaches human rights, instilling in her students the importance of equality and justice. But her advocacy doesn't stop there. Alongside her husband, George Clooney, she co-founded the Clooney Foundation for Justice. This organization advocates for marginalized and vulnerable communities around the world, many of which are women and girls. Through the foundation, she continues to tackle issues such as discrimination, inequality, and injustice, proving that her commitment to women's rights extends beyond borders. In every role she takes on, whether as a lawyer, professor, or philanthropist, Amal Clooney embodies the spirit of advocacy. She uses her influence to empower others, to fight for those without a voice, and to make a difference in the world. Amal Clooney is an inspiration, a beacon of hope for women around the globe.